An update tonight on the investigation of a standoff in Antioch where the suspect was shot and killed by police.
The California Attorney General's office is independently reviewing that shooting under a new state law that specifically looks into the deaths of unarmed people by police. KTVU's Christina Rendon live now in the newsroom with the questions that this investigation is raising.
Well, Heather, police have not yet confirmed whether the suspect was armed at the time he was shot by officers, but we know he had reportedly been firing shots in his neighborhood and from inside his home once he was barricaded. This incident unfolded Friday afternoon on Dove Court in Antioch after police got 911 calls from people in the neighborhood. Police say the man had a rifle, was wearing camo clothing and body armor, and he barricaded himself inside his home, resulting in an hours-long standoff with a SWAT team and crisis negotiators. Police say the man is accused of firing off 30 rounds in the direction of officers and neighbors during the standoff, and he reportedly refused to come out peacefully. Police say the man also set fire to his garage in an effort to escape in the backyard, and he was shot outside of his house, but it is unclear if that man had a weapon on him when he was shot.
The investigators in this matter are still gathering facts, and at this time it will be premature to release any material that could jeopardize this investigation. We will release additional information to the public as soon as we can.
That spokesperson from Antioch Police tells me that the officers involved in this deadly shooting are being interviewed. Those interviews will likely be completed by Thursday. The department is also working with various agencies, local and state, to ensure the investigation is transparent and thorough. Now, the California Attorney General's office says it is independently reviewing this incident under a new law known as AB 1506. That requires the State Department of Justice to investigate all cases of officer-involved shootings that result in the death of an unarmed person to see if there is any criminal liability. And it also asks to notify the DOJ when it's unclear if the person was armed or not at the time police shot them. There are 7 other cases of officer-involved shootings under investigation across the state. And Heather, I just want to note there was an officer who was injured that night of the incident, and they were injured in a car crash as they were blocking the crime scene. We are told that officer is in good condition and in good spirits. Christina Rendon, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Okay, Christina, thanks so much.